How to delete Fanplace account. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you specific steps for you to be able to delete your account on Fanplace. So first things first, make sure that you're logged into the specific account that you would like to be deleted. If you go to the top right, you should be able to locate your profile name or your account name right here. If you click that and then go into your settings, even if you go all these fields right here, your profile, account, single sign-on, notification, payments, you will not be able to locate the delete account option. So what you want to have to do is to choose this option here that says support center, click that, and then from here under browse by topic, choose an account and settings, scroll down and choose on delete your account. Then here, click this option here that says contact our support team, and you just need to provide a request that you would like or you would have to delete your account and provide the email address associated with that account. And that is how you delete your Fanplace account.